Hello, my name is Davinson Peñafiel. I study in UTN University. My career is gastronomy. My topic is cooking at home. In this pandemic, it's very important to cook at home for different reasons. Firstly, because in this way you can eat much healthier than the food that is cooked at home is not very seasoned. It is also a good reason to cook in family all together. Really is very important to take care of ourselves. It is not time to go out freely. We must take care of ourselves and care our lives. I'm going to mention some tips to cook healthy dishes. We must steal most food. Reduce cooking of food in oil. Cook healthier sums. Salads should not be missing at all food. Cooking at home is not difficult because on the internet there are many videos of healthy dishes and many healthy recipes. I think that cooking is the most important activity in this pandemic. This activity is not difficult, but you should practice that every day to be an expert. If you ask me, I prefer salads because this food is really healthy for our life. By the other hand, this food is delicious. In my house, it's salads every day. You can prepare salads every day. This food is really good for our life and our health. I really recommend that. I do be recommendations because I really love cook and I really love my career. Thanks.